Namaskar everyone. A charming welcome on Saraswati Senior Secondary School YouTube channel. Today we are present here discuss on the topic narration. Let us start our topic. What is narration? The reporting of a speech. The reporting of a speech of a person's speech is called narration. The reporting of a speech of a person is called narration. Next, narration are two types. Narration are two types: direct speech, direct narration; indirect speech, indirect narration. What is direct narration or direct speech? The way of reporting of the speech of a person with actual words. Reporting of the speech of a person with actual words is known as direct speech. Indirect speech, the way of reporting the speech of a person with only substance of speaker words is called indirect speech. The way of reporting the speech of a person with only substance of speakers with only the substance of speaker words is called indirect speech. And reporting the speech of a person with actual words known direct speech. With only substance of the speaker is known as indirect speech. Next, reporting verb and reported speech. What is reported speech? What is reporting verb? The part between the inverted commas is known as reported speech. The part between inverted commas is known as reported speech. The actual words of the speaker are reported speech. Reporting verb: who said to whom. The part before comma and inverted comma is known as a reporting verb. Who said to whom. Next, rules for change of tense in narration. नरेशन के अंदर टेंस चेंज करने के रूल्स क्या हैं? The rules: number 1, if reporting verb is in present tense, then reported speech tense no change. Next, if reporting verb is in future tense, then also reported speech tense no change. Here in present and future tense, reported speech tense no change. Next, universal truth, past habitual historical fact, hypothetical conditions, tense no change. If reporting verb is in past tense, then present indefinite tense change into past indefinite tense. If reporting verb is in past tense, then present continuous tense change into past continuous tense. Present perfect tense change into past perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense change into past perfect continuous tense. Past indefinite tense change into past perfect tense. Past continuous tense change into past perfect continuous tense. Modals change into their respective past form. All modals change into their respective past form. May change into might, can change into could, shall change into should, will change into would. Next, pronouns. There are three types of pronouns in narration: first person pronoun, second person pronoun, third person pronoun. First person pronoun I, my, me, we, our, us. Second person pronoun you, your, you, your, you. Third person pronoun he, she, his, her, him, her, they, their, them. First person pronoun I, mine, me, we, our, us. Change according to reporting verb subject. I, mine, me, we, our, us are changed according to reporting verb subject. Next, second person pronoun you, your, you are changed according to reporting verb object. He, she, his, her, him, her, they, their, them all are third person pronoun. No change. First person pronoun change according to subject of reporting verb. Second person pronoun change according to object of reporting verb. Third person pronoun no change. Next, adverb. If reported speech tense change, then adverb also be changed. If reported speech tense change, then adverb also be changed. Now change into then, this change into that, here change into there, today change into that day, just change into then, tomorrow change into the following day, yesterday change into the previous day, today change into that day. Thank you.